Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Amazon order history. So to be quick and not waste your time, you can't delete your order. What you can do is basically archive your order. So what you can do is go to orders and search for the relevant order, or filter by date range was originally it was purchased, and you can archive those orders. So basically, if I go to my orders, what I'm going to show you right now, that you'll see that it is not possible to actually hide the order. What you can do is basically see archived ones right here, where you select from 2026 and 2025. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.